As all of you already know, one of the best types of books that generates daily sales is children's storybooks, whether on Etsy or Amazon KDP. That's exactly why I dedicated this video to showing you how to create a children's story in the best possible way, with just one click. And today, I seriously recommend that you start this business as fast as possible. Because if you watch this video until the end, I'm going to teach you how to create an amazing children's story from scratch, and then how to sell these books on Amazon or Etsy for profit. And not only that, we're also going to create a promotional video for this story and publish it on social media using the incredible Seedance 2 model, which is currently one of the best AI video generation models available right now, especially for the price. In this video, I'll be using the amazing Topview website, and we actually used it before on this channel because they've recently released many powerful new features. And as you can see, they currently have incredible deals for using Seedance 2 and GPT Image 2 to create both images and videos at insanely affordable prices. But if we scroll down just a little bit, the feature I really want to focus on today is the new storyboard feature. This storyboard feature can transform a single image into a full storyboard, and then automatically turn it into a complete video using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2. And honestly, these are currently two of the best models available for generating AI images and AI videos. So now, let's jump directly into the practical tutorial and create our own story step by step. First, I went to ChatGPT and asked it to write me a children's story suitable for kids above the age of 3. And then I asked it to generate a prompt that could transform this story into a 15-second video. At the beginning, ChatGPT generated 2 prompts specifically for creating the story characters. Now, what we want to do is convert these prompts into actual images. So I'll copy the first prompt and then head directly over to Topview. Now I'm going to use the image section. All I need to do is choose text to image. Here, the first thing you need to select is the AI model that will generate your images. Let's test the GPT Image 2 model because it's currently the newest and one of the best models available right now. Of course, you can also try the Nano Banana Pro model that we always use on this channel. After that, all we need to do is paste the description that ChatGPT gave us into this box right here. Then, we'll choose the image dimensions. For example, I'll set it to 9:16 because in just a moment, I want to turn this story into a video. After that, we can choose the image quality, all the way up to 4K. But for this tutorial, I'll leave it at 2K. And over here, you can choose how many images you want the AI to generate. Let's generate 4 images, and then we'll simply pick the best one out of them. After that, we click Generate. And now we wait just a few seconds while the AI creates these 4 images for us. Usually, it takes around 2 minutes for all 4 images to be fully generated. So we don't waste any time, all we need to do is go back to ChatGPT once again. Then we'll copy the prompt for the second character and head back over to Topview. Using the exact same method, I'll paste the prompt into this box right here and then click Generate. And you'll notice that it can generate more than 4 images at the same time, which is absolutely amazing because it saves us a lot of time. And within just a few seconds, you'll see that it already created the 4 images for the first character, which is Bobby, the little puppy dog. And then the second character, the flying donut. I'm honestly blown away by these results. Now all we need to do is download the 2 images that we like the most. Personally, I'm going to download this image and this image right here. And after downloading the 2 images that we'll use to create our children's story, now it's time to move over to the storyboard section. Now my friend, so you fully understand how this works, here's what happens. You upload an image, then you describe the story you want, and the AI automatically creates a complete storyboard for you. It generates the image for every single scene in the story with one click, while keeping the character design completely consistent. And then with another click, It creates a full cinematic video for your character in high quality using the incredible Seedance 2 model. And honestly, this workflow is amazing because it reduces mistakes and doesn't cost a lot of money, since you can review every single step before generating the final video. So now, all we need to do is upload the 2 images that we downloaded a moment ago into this section right here. And by the way, you can upload up to 16 images. After that, we'll paste in the story itself. We'll go back to ChatGPT, and we'll see that it already wrote the story for me in 9 different scenes. So I'll organize the text a little bit and then paste it right here. Next, we choose the aspect ratio for the story. As I mentioned before, I'll set it to 9:16 because I want to create a short video from this story. Then we select the AI model that will generate the storyboard. There are many different models available, like Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and GPT Image 2. But personally, I prefer GPT Image 2 because it's newer and gives absolutely stunning results. After that, we select the image quality. I'll choose 2K quality. And over here, we choose the number of scenes, or the number of storyboard images. As I mentioned earlier, I'm creating a book with 9 pages, so I'll set it to 9 scenes. And honestly, I also think 9 scenes works perfectly for a 15-second video, so I'll keep it at 9. Of course, you can choose however many pages or scenes you want. Then finally, all we have to do is click the Generate Storyboard button. You'll immediately see that it starts building the storyboard, and it even tells you that generating the 9 pages, or 9 images, will take around 2 minutes, which is honestly incredible. And within just moments, you'll see that it has already created this full storyboard made up of 9 different pages. If we click on it, we can very easily review all 9 pages before creating the video. And over here, you'll also notice that you can edit everything very easily. I'm seriously impressed with the result. This is really amazing. And now, we are very close to finishing the entire video creation process. And don't worry, in just a moment, I'm also going to teach you how to create the actual book itself. Creating videos like this is incredibly powerful, and these kinds of videos can generate thousands of views and profits every single day on YouTube and other social media platforms. So now, to move on to the second step, all we need to do is click the Generate Video button from this storyboard. Once we click it, this menu will open up. It will automatically use the 9 storyboard images that it generated, along with the 2 main character images. And by the way, you can even add many more images here if you want. Right here, it asks you to choose the AI model that will generate the video. Of course, I'm going to choose the Seedance 2 model because right now it's one of the best AI video generation models available. After that, it asks you to write the prompt that will be used to generate the video itself. You can either use the prompt that Topview generated automatically for you, or you can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a custom prompt for the video. Personally, I already asked ChatGPT to create the prompt for me, so I'm simply going to copy this prompt from ChatGPT, then head back over to Topview and paste the prompt right here. After that, we choose the video dimensions. I want this to be a shorts video, so I'll keep it at 9:16. For the video duration, I'll leave it at 15 seconds. And for the video quality, I want it to be full HD 1080p. Now, for the number of videos we want to generate, let's create 2 videos and see the results together. Then we simply click the Generate button. It says here that the video will take around 13 minutes to generate, but honestly, it's much faster than that. And now, let's check out the final result together. As you can see, the result is absolutely incredible from the very first attempt. It actually created 4 different videos, and honestly, all 4 videos look amazing to me. I would absolutely upload these directly to social media platforms, and I'm almost certain they would get a huge number of views, and I'd be making money from those views as well. And not only that, I would also place the link to my storybook in the comments of these social media videos, so the videos can also generate sales for my digital book on Etsy or Amazon. And now, just like I promised you, to create the inner pages of the book, all we need to do is go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write image prompts for every single page. I'll copy the first prompt, then head back to the main interface in Topview, the home section. I'm going to select AI image. I'll paste the prompt into this box right here, then upload the pages that we already created, which are the storyboard page and the character pages for the puppy dog and the donut. After that, you choose the AI model that will generate the page. I'm going to choose GPT Image 2. Then we select the page dimensions. Let's make it 3:4. Honestly, I think that ratio is perfect for children's storybook pages. Over here, we choose the quality. I'll keep it at 2K. Then we simply click Generate Page. It will immediately take you to this page and start generating the book page automatically like this. And the best part is that you can create more than one page at the same time. And using the exact same method, I'll continue creating all the pages one by one like this. Just look at how incredible this is. The book pages were created in such an amazing way. I'm seriously blown away by the results, and even the text and designs look absolutely fantastic. Now all you need to do is download all of these pages, combine them together into a PDF file using Canva, for example, and then sell the book easily on Etsy and Amazon. And just like that, you now have a complete children's book ready to sell. And at the same time, you also have promotional videos for that book, so you can upload them to social media and generate even more sales from them. You'll find the link down below in the video description and in the pinned comment. Click on it to get a special discount. And I truly hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.